The better you take care of your boat, the better it will take care of you. What's up everyone? I'm Spencer with Malibuparts. One aspect of making sure your boat is in tip-top shape is to make sure it is cleaned regularly and properly. Babe's Boat Cleaner is one of the best marine cleaning brands out there and is also one of the warranty-approved cleaners for Malibu and Axis boats. Real quick, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and social media for more tips and tricks and great deals. Alright, let's take a closer look at the must-have cleaning products for your boat. First up is Babe's Spot Solver. Babe's Spot Solver is specifically developed to remove hard water spots caused from mineral buildup. Spot Solver is an environmentally safe, non-abrasive solution designed for all gel coat, glass, and chrome surfaces. Next, we have Babe's Boat Bright. Babe's Boat Bright is a non-abrasive formula designed to clean and protect your boat's surface. Boat Bright enhances the finish of your boat by applying a light wax surface plus a UV protectant. Next, we have Babe's Boat Bubbles. Babe's Boat Bubbles is an easy-to-use, high-sudding wash concentrate formulated specifically for gel coat. Boat Bubbles washes away the grime and marine buildup. It will not strip any wax or sealants. For the interior, we have Babe's Seat Soap. Babe's Seat Soap cleans vinyl, plastic, and leather surfaces and is specifically formulated to lift dirt, scum, and suntan oil without harming or drying out the surface. For the best protection for your seats, we have Babe's Seat Saver. Babe's Seat Saver is designed with UV protectants to condition and protect marine vinyl upholstery. Regular use of Babe's Seat Saver aids in preserving the natural qualities of upholstery and helps to extend the life of marine vinyl. Last but not least, we have Babe's Mildew Master. Babe's Mildew Master removes mildew from carpet and hard surfaces. Mildew Master combines enzymes and peroxide to build an effective yet environmentally safe cleaner specifically suited for the extreme conditions of marine environments. Babe's products will help keep your boat in great condition and looking great for years to come. To get Babe's cleaning supplies or any other Malibu and Axis parts and accessories, head over to Malibuparts.com. As always, if you need help finding a specific product, reach out to us via phone, live chat, or email. We can't wait to see you on the water.